Today's update: Tinubu suffers brutal defeat as tribunal accurately makes shocking declaration. This is good news for Atiku and Obi. You're welcome to today's news and thank you for tuning in to this news. Now to the news details. Please listen carefully to the end. In a turn of events that appears to be heartbreaking for the president-elect, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Presidential Election Petition Court (PEPC) has informed Wole Olanipekun San, the lead attorney for the president-elect, that he is citing an outdated law in opposition to the request by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) presidential candidate Alhaji Abubakar Atiku, and concurred by his counterparts from the Labour Party, Dr. Justice Haruna Simon Tesmani, the court's chairman, had on Thursday called Olanipekun's attention to a section of the Code of Conduct for Judicial Officers that had been incorrectly cited to support Tinubu's opposition to live coverage of the proceedings in Atiku's petition. He explained to Tinubu's attorney that he was objecting to Atiku's request for live coverage of the court proceedings by citing an antiquated law. According to reports, Tinubu, APC, and INEC each separately objected to Atiku's request at the hearing on Thursday. In support of his demand for a live broadcast of the proceedings, Atiku had cited the monumental importance of the petition on a national and international level through his lead attorney, Chief Chris Uche San. However, Olanipekun had cited paragraph 4.6 of the Code of Conduct, paragraph 4.6 of the Code of Conduct for judicial officers in an effort to support a strident opposition, which he claimed forbade judicial officers from broadcasting or televising proceedings during a court session. Following Chris Uche's argument that there was currently no place or statute prohibiting the live broadcast of court proceedings, he cited the disputed law. Justice Tesmani interrupted Olanipekun just as he was about to read the relevant section of the law, informing him that he was citing the incorrect piece of legislation. Olanipekun was informed by Justice Tesmani that the passage he had used to support his arguments against live coverage had been changed and had been entirely removed. The court's chairman insisted that the section Olanipekun was claiming no longer existed in the new Code of Conduct for judicial officers. Uche had called the court's attention to the Justice Oputa panel of inquiry, which was telecast live and uploaded all over the nation, while also arguing for a live broadcast of Atiku's petition. The senior attorney claimed that if the petition is broadcast live, none of the respondents will be harmed. He specifically stated that live broadcasts of court proceedings were not prohibited by any laws or statutes, adding that the fact that it had never been done before should not be interpreted as a reason why it cannot be done now. So Justice Haruna Simon Tesmani, the court's chief Justice has postponed the decision-making process until a later date that will be disclosed to the parties. Concerning the hearings in court, Atiku Abubakar he wrote a petition. He made a request to the courts that there should be a live coverage of the court proceedings so that everybody can know what is going on and follow the process. So it won't look as if the court is giving out judgments in which is false. So if everybody is being carried along, we'll know that it is something clear. But now, the APC lead counsel, Olanipekun San, is actually also saying this, and the court is saying that it is against the law of the courts that there should be a live coverage of court proceedings. But Olanipekun is standing on the ground that it has happened before, and he cited the disputed law. He argued that there was currently no law or statute that is prohibiting the live broadcast of court proceedings. So that means that they can broadcast, but the court is saying that it is definitely incorrect piece of legislation that they cannot do a live broadcast. But after they've gone through their arguments and they were saying broadcast, the court had to adjourn the case again, which will be disclosed to the parties later. But if truly it is against the courts to have live broadcast of the court proceedings, these people are senior advocate of Nigeria. They know the law front and back like their palms. Will they actually ask for or follow the request of Atiku Abubakar? Please share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell for more updates. Thank you.